I think it's exceeded my expectations. The beauty of being out here, I've never seen this part of the country. It's spectacular. Some of the waves I saw today are unreal. Some of the views, I don't think I'll find them anywhere else in the world that I've been.
I feel incredibly privileged to run in the Transkei. I think it's a beautiful space, and I also don't think that there's many places in the world or South Africa that you can have so much uninterrupted coastline. To run on the beach is incredibly special.
To wake up, everything's sorted for you, to have all the organisation, the team along the route taking care of you. Today I had a really hot, sugary coffee, and it was a long day, and it just completely made me feel great, happy and smiling, and getting here with our bags in the room.
You feel totally isolated, basically, but in just an absolutely stunning area. Nobody in front of you, no one behind you. The footprints have been washed away by the sea.
What has surprised me is the sense of community. It has been so much fun to meet up with other runners, to get to know people, the amount of energy they give you on these long runs.
Every time it's different. The beaches change, the experience changes, but it's magical, and it's just fulfills a very special place in your soul.
It's not always just about the achievement, but the experiences you have with people. For me, what I love is meeting people, having that shared sort of like camaraderie.
Every time I run it, I still get a runner's high. It's just that pure sense of achievement. You think on paper it's 112 k's. It just sounds incredibly difficult. And then when you actually cross that finish line at the hole in the wall, you think to yourself, man, I did this. And it gives you that perspective of you can handle any challenge in life, or you can overcome any challenge in life. What seemed impossible, you actually pushed your body beyond its limits, and then, yeah, you made it.